A special CBI court in Guwahati has framed charges against 6 Meitei men in connection with the May 4, 2023 incident of naked parading of 3 Kuki women during early phase of ethnic violence in Manipur. The court took cognizance of CBI charge sheet, which states that 2 of the victims were subjected to sexual assault and 2 relatives of 1 victim were killed during the incident. The 6 accused are Huirem Hirodash Meitei, Ningombam Tomba Singh alias Tomthin, Yumlembam Jiban Singh alias Naucha alias Sana, Pukrihongbam Suranjoy Meitei, Arun Kundongbam alias Nanao, and Namarakpam Kiran Meitei. They face 15 charges including gang rape, murder and rioting. According to case records, the victims fled into forests to escape violence but were intercepted by a mob, leading to allegedly killing the father of 1 victim and forcing the women to strip. 2 women were assaulted and a brother of 1 victim was killed while trying to protect her. CBI prosecutor Swayamjit Sharma remarked that investigation has established strong prima facie evidence. The court ordered 4 accused to be shifted to Guwahati jail and directed all 6 to appear on January 16. The case drew nationwide outrage after a video surfaced online. CBI is proving multiple cases linked to Manipur's unrest, including 19 involving crimes against women.